So, three vowels together. How about OOI? Yeah, there are some words where we find three vowels together. Like, for example, rotzooi. Rotzooi, garbage. Notice that it ends in ZOOI, and the I is kind of like a J sound. Now, there are not many words, but there are some verbs or plurals where you do get these sounds, and even with four vowels. Like, for example, gooien, to throw. Gooien. Yes, the I becomes kind of like a J sound and goes to the EN. Or vlooien. Vlooien as in fleece. Yeah, I know. Just thinking about it, indeed. But notice that, yes, it is an I that sounds like a J, and yeah, it goes like a consonant. So, like, subscribe, and see you next time.